Do you know what this thing is? Do you know this weird thing is selling for $87.99 on Amazon and has been sold for more than 1,000 units? And you can buy one here for only $50. So the cost will be $50 and you can sell it for $87.99. So profit will be $37.99. I'm not a mathematician, but this sounds great, right?
This drone on my desk is DJI's latest model, DJI Mini3 Pro.
Being a big strong firm on the planet, DJI never stops surprising people. On May 10th, DJI releases its latest model of the Mini series, the DJI Mini3 Pro. And I ordered it right away. And after a few weeks waiting, it's finally here! In today's video, I'm gonna tell you why I buy this one. Let's dive in! As a rookie to fly a drone, I definitely need a drone that is easy to control.
DJI's Mini series is designed to be newbie friendly, and Mini3 Pro model brings this feature to a higher level. Why?
First of all, its 249 grams lightweight allows players to fly their drone without registration in most countries, including Taiwan. Without the need of registration, newbies can fly whenever they want. Another important feature is obstacle avoidance. DJI Mini3 Pro is equipped with forward, backward, and downward vision sensors. In another word, it has 3 eyes alerting to prevent newbies from flying straight into the trees, extending the life of the drone. Great news to newbies! Lastly, DJI Mini3 Pro's extended battery life enables players to enjoy up to 47 minutes airtime, which is amazing! Players no longer need to get interrupted because of a quickly drained battery. And that's all for today's video. If you are appealed to this drone, just go buy it. I definitely recommend it. It's fun, you won't regret it. At the end of this video, I'll share my first flight footage. Enjoy it and see you next time. Cheers!
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look